Oh boy, I've been there. In the beginning of my healing journey, I buy into everything that is in the spiritual or new agey thing. The latest book, the trendy breathwork method, the reading, the newest thing, the ritual, the crystal. Oh my. But I'm grateful for that experience because I need those moments just to realize that I don't really need it. Just like you need to eat something first and then decide that you don't want to eat it again because you dislike it. For me, it's a cooked salmon. The same with healing and everything else in life. We need to experience the unwanted first to know what is it that we want and need. I'm not saying that it is bad, but very few holds the purest intention and can hold the space for us to remember who we really are and how we can self-sustain ourselves and not depend on something external. At first, of course, I didn't have enough discernment and awareness to choose what healing method or which teacher I need to look up to. Our feeling and emotion are a technology that is built within us for our growth and evolution. Yet it is the hardest thing human can feel. We discard it by running away, suppress it, numbing it, denying it, because the new age says that we are not supposed to feel negative emotions. And that is total bullshit. You are not manifesting negative thing just by feeling it. It is already there. On the contrary, you are neutralizing it with feeling the emotion. Yes, it doesn't feel good, but we need to feel it to be free from it. Many coaches sell the feel-good exercise because it's easy. They sell the coping mechanism because it's our weak spot. Humans just want to feel good, just want the sunshine, and not realizing that thunder, storm, and tsunamis are also a part of our evolutions. Most of the time I reach out to some healer, it's because I don't have the patience and the courage to face my emotion. I just want a quick fix and a feel-good healing. Once again, there is nothing wrong with it. We are just human with traumas and confusion. All the reading like astrology and its friend meant nothing for me. When we know that we are a part of oneness, everything is valid, allowed, and always changing. All the data become insignificant. It is a beautiful information though and has its place, but at the higher perspective, it is unnecessary. I've met life coaches that's identified with their label and they forget how to be a loving human. They aren't capable to be a deep listener and a space holder because they have too many knowledge and belief that prevents them to be human. We forget how to be human, how to have compassion and empathy to those who hold the opposite belief, how to listen when someone is in pain and need help. It is a major issue. We're becoming more separated than ever and we think there's something wrong with our emotion. You don't have to believe in me, this is just my experience. Explore your own journey in healing, there is no wrong or right way. Time, experience, and feeling will speak for itself. The longer I dive deep in myself, the more I realize that I don't really need much thing. Pure awareness, allowing everything, and surrender is very powerful, more than any method. We heal by loving what is. We don't try to heal, we just let it happen. I hate it when I have to breathe in a specific way or have to walk in a specific way. For me, it is unnatural. Our body knows what to do if we just allow what arising and we surrender to it. It is freaking difficult and not easy because it's like stripping away layers of our thick ego, and it can only be done by our bravery to feel every damn thing. Humans are still in resistance to feel, including myself, and this is where the practice begins. When we understand what real healing is, we will consciously choose the right tool or the right teacher to follow. And we don't have to spend a lot of money, especially if you're on budget. But well, spending money for an experience is never a bad thing, so Ignore this message if you have a lot of money to spend on healing. We are healing by not trying to heal. At first, maybe we are, but as our awareness grows, we don't even need to try to find the trauma because it will come by itself through our feelings and emotions. And from that awareness, maybe all we need just a warm chicken noodle soup and a trip to the beach while feeling every emotion that rises. Healing happens when we listen to the suffering, when we give the microphone to the anger, fear, and unworthiness. Let them speak out loud. Let them scream, let them sing. We heal by allowing the pain to take the center stage, to ruin us, to burn us. We become the observer of ourselves. We become the observer of our human avatar, playing unconsciously and driven by the ego and finally knowing that it is not who we really are. Some people addict to the idea of healing by always chasing and buying the latest thing and never really stop and feel the emotion. They aren't allowing healing to take place. It is an inner abyss that's haunting all the time. You don't have to be those people. I love this Chinese congee. It is perfect for a bad day, perfect when you feel down. It feels like a warm hug. This is a ball of love, and maybe this is what you're looking for. Thank you for watching.